So we did a cooking class while we were here. And I suggested it, and you didn't seem like you were that interested in it.
No, I didn't seem quite interested in it. I don't know why. I like cooking, and Rhonda doesn't like cooking.
I don't like cooking. But I love Thai food, and it's just something that you don't get that experience back home, like a Thai cooking class, an authentic Thai cooking class.
Before the cooking class started, we got to visit a local market, which was really, really cool. We got to see the ingredients that go into our Thai dishes. So what a kaffir lime looks like, or kaffir leaf.
Good job! I don't remember the name.
Or some derivative of the coriander family.
We actually made really good Thai food.
Yeah, we made some pad thai.
Yeah.
Learned to make some green curry and some khao soy, a local dish here, which is amazing.
Khao soy is our favorite. I would definitely recommend the cooking class, either for half a day or the full day. Yeah, we're kind of looking for options on rainy days, but that would be a great one. Yeah, it was really cool. It was a great time to spend with our kids. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, show it some love, and don't forget to subscribe to check out more.